So in general, to get the best results from low light with action cameras, I usually recommend using manual settings. But the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is one of those cameras that, as Insta360 has released more and more firmware updates, the PureVideo Mode on this camera has continued to get better and better. And the PureVideo Mode is so good on the Ace Pro 2 that with a couple setting tweaks, I actually just recommend using that to get good low light footage. And the biggest reason for that is you don't have to put this on a gimbal or anything special. You can put it on any of your favorite mounts like the Insta360 selfie stick, and then you can just go and start filming. All the samples in this video today were filmed using the PureVideo Mode on the Ace Pro 2. Let me show you those couple settings that I changed in PureVideo Mode, and then I'm going to conclude this video with about 6 to 7 minutes of samples that I filmed using PureVideo Mode on the Ace Pro 2. Once you're in PureVideo Mode, you just want to make sure you're in 4K 30 and set your stabilization to standard and your ratio to 16:9. And then you want to swipe in from the right, and you just want to make sure your color mode is on standard and your EV mode, keep that at 0. For your white balance, go down here and click M for manual and set that to 3800K. Over here, for the metering mode, keep it at matrix. And then down here where it says motion blur reduction or anti-flicker, select anti-flicker. And then finally for sharpness mode, click low. And then one thing you'll notice, this icon over here on the left, if you click on that, it's PureVideo Plus is on. So for optimal low light image quality, there's this mode that's called PureVideo Plus, and I have noticed PureVideo footage looks better than ever. So props to Insta360 for how they continue to improve this camera. It really is still a great action camera in 2026. if you'd like to learn more about how to get the very best footage from the Ace Pro 2, check out this playlist right here.